For the Ford 7.3 1995 to 2003, the PCM chips with analog switches are a performance method that has been used for a long time. Edge has come out with their version of that product. This is the Edge Revolver. The Edge Revolver is a very nice chip that's going to be able to be integrated with with the Edge Insight, which will give you monitoring capabilities inside of your truck and give you everything inside of the Edge platform, so you can stay inside of Edge. So let's show you what you get with the Revolver. With the Revolver itself, you're going to get your Brillo pad and your cleaning, so you can clean those PCM contacts. We talk about that so much, of how important that is. Edge comes with a few instructions that will come with the chip as well. You're going to get Edge's new style switch. I really like this switch. This switch disconnects from the cord from the chip itself. It comes with a knurled knob and the Allen wrench to put the knob back on the switch, which is just a nice, it's one of those small things that Edge includes with it. That's just a really nice feature. Sticker to go on your dash to show you what position you're in when you get the switch mounted. You've got the cable that takes you from the switch itself to the chip itself, a nice Edge sticker that comes in the kit, and then the Edge chip. Now I want to talk about the Edge chip just a little bit. This chip is a little bit different from the other chips that are out there on the market for the 7.3 PCMs. This is a more compact offering. It is not as tall, you can see. It's pretty small. You don't have to worry with this chip about going too far into the PCM and hitting any of the components that are on the circuit board and maybe knocking something off. So it's a compact chip. Very nice. So Edges has dotted the I's and crossed the T's with this. The circuit board on there is very heavy duty. Just a really nice product. Now, you can integrate this with the Edge Insight. If you guys have got Edge Insights in your truck already and you've been using it for your monitoring on your 7.3, now you can use it to control the chip. So there's an EAS expansion packet. It is Edge part number 98621. The expansion packet will give you the ability to change through the tunes with your Edge Insight. It comes with the expansion cable, and then your cord to the monitor itself. So very nice, very nice detail to be able to control that, to be able to control the Revolver with the Edge Insight. So it makes everything seamless, and you get a little bit more of that Edge brand. So this is a very nice product. Now remember, when ordering this, you will have to know what year your vehicle is and what the PCM code that you have is, to make sure that we get the right programming on there for you. If you have a question about this Edge product or any of our other products, please give us a call, and please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much.